Yeah, man. And me again. Debbie from Donga Yard. Wagwan, me look at YouTube, people. Wagwan, wagwan. Young people and all. Yeah, man. And me again, man. Me say, the time hot down here, hotty, so till. So, right, so now, I want nice little something me fix up. First of all, me gonna link everything, you know, what me use. Me use some tea bag, some ginger, some fresh mint from around my garden there, so, and some cinnamon leaf, all natural. Yeah, man. I will put it on for seep. It's a iced tea, you know. We make it homemade iced tea. See? This iced tea is a summer body iced tea. Yeah. And that one here, me do it for the little young people then. Yup. See it there? We have it in a tree farm. Boy, your girlfriend if she come by, boyfriend, this a feel, you know? Yeah, go from out the kitchen, you go sit down around in a computer and all them little sort of something there. You carry a little mason jar with you with your one in it. You understand? And you walk with it and sit down. On social media, yeah, surf and yeah, do a little something and something. We don't put any sugar in it. Remember me tell us we brew it and we have it. We keep it for about 3 hours. No sugar, it's sugar free. Because this one is to work down the body, to bring it down to the summer body. It's summertime now, you know. Right? Dream weekend coming up. And from last year we don't want to go. And when you look last year, when you take out your nice pretty little shorts and you fancy you can't go because them tight and some little something right you start hang off and all them something you put it off. No. You tell yourself say you save up money and you go this year. So right about now it's time for you to start work on the summer body. Yep. So this name Summer Body Iced Tea. Watch how you use it. Watch how you use it. Alright. Me tell you something not put no sugar in it, you know. I have a little syrup. Feel free for use all you want to use. Remember as Summer Body now work on, you're not supposed to put no little sugar in it, you know. Work on the one, work off them little something right. Alright, that's the problem there, you know. Because you need the shots, you know. You need the shots, you know. Hit the dream weekend, you know. Right? So feel free, me have a little syrup in it, I don't know me the it's different. So you just feel free to put your little syrup in it and notch him up. Yeah. When you're ready, you open this. See? And you give him a little stir. Yeah. But you do this now. You know, just drink this a tea so and expect to get somebody, you know. You have to claim somebody. The tea have to work, but you have to work. Watch how you use this now. You understand now? This is for the young people, let me know. Yeah. Male and female alike. Right? Yep. I know I'm not laughing, but I can't say laugh if you don't want to work on the body. Yes, watch this now. This is one, a year old. So when you take it up, well cool, you know, see ya? The ginger kick, the green tea, remember green tea for flush out the system, so the green tea and the ginger and the cinnamon. Papa Jesus. Yes, so see here now? Remember everything nowadays we have to claim, you know, just come so you know, see here? A summer party. Hooray! A summer party. Hooray! A summer party. Hooray! A summer party. Hooray! A summer party. Yeah, I saw you clearly. Yeah. This is one you know. Boyfriend supposed to go down with you too, you know. But him take time and put on little weight on the side and I put on married man belly. Him not go on with nothing. You outside you try to see if you can drink and work out the body. Him in a bed and sleep. See you know? So I feel one, you know. See you know? Move to him in that room, you know. Hooray! A summer party. A summer party. I give him feel, you know. Yeah? Yeah, you get up out of the bed, you're too late. Come on now. Hooray! A summer party. It's true, right? Hooray! A summer party. A summer party. Yup. Straight summer body lick. Summer body iced tea from West Indian Delights. This is for the little young people them. You understand? Look at young people. They don't know we not take none from them and because they must enjoy themselves and them something, you know. So you know they will support them. You know? Obesity now gonna say for whatever the reason look we are we not bashing. I am here to support the little young people then. But then I feel make hooray, a summer birthday, hooray, a summer birthday, hooray, a summer birthday.